Just watch with me.
Hello, welcome to Watch With Me. My name is Watchman Lee. Today we're going to look at another police video or police interaction, see what happened there, and without further ado, let's just jump in it.
This woman thought she could lie to police about assaulting a cashier and stealing money from the register, even though it was all caught on store cameras. When reality sets in that she's really going to jail, she has a complete meltdown on the officers.
How you doing, sir? How you doing? What's going on, kid?
Yeah, I tried to purchase something from the counter, and this young woman said I stole something from her, but I had just a $10 bill.
You couldn't smoke inside.
I took it out the counter because she was threatening me.
Exactly.
Just put that out for me. Just put that out for me. All right, let me go out with it. So we can talk. Because I don't want to stay in here with the cigarette.
She wasn't talking.
Can you?
You can look at the camera.
All right, look at the camera. She was. Give me a favor. Give me the.
Put the cigarette out. If we gonna do what we want to do.
All right, check the camera. I asked you for this, right? This, and this I put on the counter. I gave you $10.
Yeah.
And you said I took money from you. And she was calling the cops, wasting your time.
I can explain everything.
Let them explain themselves. When you try to control the whole situation,
I was with other
you run into
customers,
somebody
right?
trying to
She
control
was
the whole
about to pay
situation,
the card.
fast talking.
So she put this stuff. Yeah,
They only
just
want
like
you to
this.
see one narrative.
So she put this stuff here. And she put $10. And I say, can you wait because I'm waiting for someone else? And then she took, I don't know, I don't see the $10. And then she said, you put the $10 in the register. I said, I can't because I need to wait for the receipt to open the register. I can't open it. And I said, no, you took it. And I said, I didn't. Then when I get the receipt, I open it and she took the money.
Does your cameras work?
Yeah.
Can you play the cameras back, please?
And then she took the money and then she leave.
She left?
Yeah, she left.
So how did she come back in?
He went for here. So I told the manager, and the manager went to the street.
Do you have the money back now?
She put $20 here, and then the manager said you took more than $20, and then I went to the living room and she took some stuff and she was like,
I was with my mom. She came. She's at the laundry, and I'm here right now. I'm supposed to be washing
And
clothes,
she-
and I was getting a few products. That's all I did.
How much? I'll talk to you in just a second. How much did she allegedly take?
it was
Out of
like
the cash
$40
register?
or $50. I'm not sure because she only did this, so I'm not sure how much.
And you're saying that she went out the store and your manager went
She
after
left,
her.
And I told
How far did she go before
How
you
far did
grabbed
she
her?
go, sir? How far did she go down the street for you? How far she go outside?
Too much stuff going on right now,
So she's
man.
going to the laundry.
Okay.
You take it
No, you can't have nothing. You
I
want
said
to
it
take
was
it.
like
I can take back the money because all I wanted was this. I said,
Now she throwing more money.
this is
at
my
you.
money.
I know you put $10. That's true. You put $10.
So $10 is her. What about
You don't have to go to the camera.
Like, it don't make no sense.
I was waiting for the other customer. I told you, can you
Do
wait?
you have ID now? Does she have ID?
Lisa, let's go ahead and solve this. Alright, what else?
Y'all
I
need
came in here to buy a brush, a toothpaste, and an eyeliner, whatnot. And then she said I took money from her. I just gave her $10 and asked for the products, and that was it. And then she claimed I stole, and I reached in the cash because they wouldn't let me out.
Okay.
I'm like, why you wouldn't let me out? You want me to take everything? You gonna keep me too? Just for a brush and a Colgate? It's not that serious. You don't have to lie like that.
What's the address for you?
She leisurely was
27,
paying for some items.
West
put the money
22nd Street,
down,
Brooklyn, New York,
reached over and took
11224.
$40 out of the cash register, ran. The manager ran after her, brought her
22nd
back
Street,
in. She said, no, I didn't take any money out of the cash register. That's what they're alleging.
There's a camera footage of it.
And that's what they're working on getting the camera footage.
So I gotta go. My mom's up.
Yeah, you gotta
Don't leave me. I'm waiting for her.
He said, you gotta wait. You gotta
I
wait.
gotta go.
Well, there's an active investigation right now. I can't go anywhere.
Well, you knew you were being held
So you
up.
don't know exactly how much money was...
No, it was like $40 or $50 because I'm not sure because she only did this. So it was only a hand.
So it was all 10.
Yeah.
She gonna smoke it
Simon
again.
is out, sir.
I need to go now.
Can't go out, man.
Start smoking, thinking they gonna let it go out.
Lisa, can you do me a favor? Just because you're not supposed to smoke in the building, can you just do me a favor? Hold on.
Let me go out this because we're ready.
You can't go outside right now. You can't go outside. You just gotta put that down. You gotta wait.
And if you move, you're gonna get arrested. So stop it. Give me the cigarette.
You want it?
She's breaking.
Y'all need to put her in handcuffs because she's ready to go. Look at her. Eyes straight over
All
the
right, then. So why you keep trying to leave? Just let her do her.
Tells me that you're doing something. I'm just telling you right now how it looks from my perspective.
They're in handcuffs.
You leaving makes it look like you're doing something you're not supposed to.
And they're alleging something against you right now. So let them provide video. Nothing happened, then you go on your way. It's just gonna be a report. You just gotta calm it down. Sir, you don't gotta show it there. If you got it on your phone, you can
Just show us on your phone because we gotta see this. Lisa.
$40, right?
I'm not sure.
And you don't let me out. You want me to stay here with you?
Lisa.
I'm just a cashier.
But Lisa, don't talk with her. Talk with me. Let's watch this video together. Come on.
So she going back to the girl, start throwing more money out there.
1 second.
She know what she did.
Yeah.
She's
While
still trying to
reviewing
see
the
if she
camera
can make it to
footage,
that door.
the suspect's brother arrives at the store to inquire about what was going on.
What happened? She lied and said I took something off the counter. And the money...
give her 5 minutes. Stand by.
5 minutes?
Yeah, it's 5 minutes.
My sister, let me talk to her real quick.
All right, you can wait outside. When she comes outside, you can come talk to her.
Huh?
You can wait outside and then come talk to her when she comes out.
What happened?
I'm not at liberty to say. She'll tell you
gotta
after.
wait outside.
All right? Good?
Yeah, what yo, man?
She'll just give her a few minutes. All right? I'll let you know what's going on, but you gotta give me a few minutes. All right?
Let me find out something from the officer if I did something.
Well, that's why we here. We try to read the video. This is the reason why you here right now. Because if this video doesn't show nothing, it's just gonna be a report and you on your way.
Y'all know she did it.
Why you all up on me like that? Why don't you, if y'all protect him, somebody protect her?
You want to get in custody?
I don't want to be in here.
Okay, so calm it down. I gotta see this.
If you take a closer look at the phone, you can see the suspect reach over and grab a handful of cash from the register.
Yep. Come on. Jam the other back.
For what? I would like to know. I know your camera right here.
Resist.
Well, what I do?
Don't resist.
I hit her?
Don't resist.
I took money?
Don't resist.
I took money from her.
Don't do it, because you'll get more charges.
Why we gotta always be like this? You know what you did.
Don't resist.
I went to the...
Hey, let me see that footage again, sir.
I know you didn't do nothing. What's the problem?
You're under arrest for robbery.
Robbery? What'd I take? Mister.
We're walking.
I was just gonna go home after lunch.
This is a trip. I
didn't
thought it
do
was New York.
What did you do this, man? I didn't do nothing. Yo, I was at the laundromat doing my laundry. Came over here to get a brush and some supplies, and that was it.
Spread your feet.
Was her man over there locked up or something? She got somebody over there?
It's her brother. It's your brother, right?
You get locked up too?
Her bag's in the back. It's the property.
The suspect is initially calm as she arrives at the station for booking. When she realizes that she won't be released immediately due to video evidence of her assaulting the cashier, she begins to freak out on officers in her holding cell.
Goodness. They one of them got video of this. Her kicking and going crazy.
Get the shackles. Get the shackles. Take her shoes off. You alright? What else you got on you?
She didn't take her shirt off. That was the whole thing.
Stand up. Come on. Stop.
Just lay there. Just lay there. Relax. Relax. Relax.
Now, put it down.
Relax. Relax. Just relax. Why are you doing all this?
This is what happens when we can't control ourselves. They done shackled us up like we some kind of animal.
Last time she was about to leave, but we just get her pregnant.
The suspect was charged with burglary, assault on the cashier, as well as 2 counts of assault on an officer which occurred inside of her holding cell. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more never-seen-before arrest footage daily.
So, all right, there we go. That was a woman shoplifter started acting like a victim till she got in jail. Then she started losing her mind. And that was by Uncovered. That was the first time we did that. If you get a chance, go to that channel, check it out. I'm going to put a link in the comments so you can also see this video yourself. All right. So with that, this is Watchman Lee, and the show is Watch with Me. All right. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.